Meaning of half-baked.
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 Half-baked. The term half-baked is often used to describe something that is incomplete, poorly thought out, or lacking in sufficient preparation or execution. It can refer to ideas, plans, or actions that have not been fully developed or have not been given enough time and effort to be successful. When something is described as half-baked, it generally implies that it is unsatisfactory or not up to the expected standard. The term can also suggest a lack of commitment or dedication to a project or task, resulting in an inferior outcome.